Hello everyone, I am Dr. Tehseen Chaudhary from LAD and Srimati RP College Nagpur, Maharashtra, and today I will be discussing upon steps in program planning process. There are total 8 steps in program planning process. First, collection of facts. Second, analyze situation. Third, identify problem. Fourth, decide on objectives. Fifth, develop plan of work. Sixth, execute plan. Seventh, evaluation of process. And eighth, reconsideration. As you can see, the first 4 steps comes under program planning and the next 4 steps comes under program action. The first step, collection of facts. This is said to be the foundation stone of the entire program. In this step, general information of the community and its people is collected. Information like population, total number of families, educational facilities, medical facilities, transport facilities, safe drinking water facilities, nutrition status of the people, sanitation condition, and attitudes and beliefs of the people of the community is collected in this step. Step 2, analyze situation. In this, the facts are translated into the local language of the people so that everyone can understand. Then help from specialist and expert is taken. Local leaders are consulted and previous references is studied in these steps. Photographs and pictures are also taken for records. Step 3, identify problem. In this, problem of the people are identified and taken, and as they see them, then groups are formed depending upon various problem. One problem is tackled at a time. Alternative solutions are given to the people, and it is also seen that the solutions are achievable and resources should be available to the community people. Step 4, decide on objectives. Objectives are decided and the success and failure of the entire program is dependent upon the objectives. The objectives may vary from situation to situation, place to place, person to person, etc. The objective should be clearly stated, it should be achievable, and it should lead to satisfaction of the community people. Step 5, develop plan of work. In this step, appointment of staff, fixing timetable, assigning duty, etc. is done. Questions like what, when, where, whom, why, etc. is asked in this step, and it is the last step before the actual execution of the program. Any mistake done in this step will lead to the failure of the entire program. Then the next step is execute plan. In this, the plan which is made is executed, and as per the plan it is executed. Proper coordination and supervision is important in this step. Minute details is considered in this step. Then teaching material, equipment, other appropriate methods are taken available. Flexibility should be there. Staff members should be properly trained, and help from local leaders and change agents should be taken. Step 5, evaluation of process. In this, the local leaders and community people should be considered while evaluating. Success and failures depend upon how much the beneficiaries have gained from this program. Positive as well as the negative aspect of the program is considered. After evaluation, conclusion is drawn. Positive points can be repeated in the next program, and the negative points can be converted into positive by working upon it. Then the last step is reconsideration. The staff and the program planner should be ready for both positive as well as the negative outcome of the program. Then the evaluator forms and prepare a report. Evaluator should not be biased and must be fair while preparing evaluative report. Then discussion with the staff members and the program planners, local leaders, change agent, experts should be done before finalizing the report. This is the evaluation of all the 7 steps of program planning, and there are chances of improvement if there is any required after reconsideration step. Thank you.